Good afternoon, students. I am going to discuss about only environmental issues. Today topics pollution, define pollution, what do you mean by pollutants, what are the types are involved the pollutions, air pollution and its controls, Environmental Protection Act. What is pollution? The pollution means any undesirable changes changing physical, chemical, biological characteristics of air, water and soil. So what is pollution or define pollution? Any undesirable change in physical factors, then chemical factors or biological characteristics. Biological characteristics, it involves only air, it involves only water, or it involves only soil. That type of characters is called pollutions. Next one is pollutant. The pollutants are agent which bring about undesirable change are called pollutants. What is pollutants? So pollutants, that's a kinds of agents which bring about undesirable change in air. That is called as air pollutants. So pollutants are agents which bring about undesirable change in water. That type of characters, water pollutants. The agents which are bring about undesirable changes are called soil. That is called soil pollutants. First one is pollution. What is pollution? Any undesirable change in physical factors or chemical factors or then biological factors. It involves only air, water or soil. That is called pollution. What is pollutant? So pollutants are kinds of agents which bring about undesirable change in air or undesirable change in water or undesirable change in only soil. That type of process called pollutants. Next one is types of pollutions. What are the types of pollution are involved? First one is air pollutions. Second one is soil pollution. And third one is water pollution. Then fourth one is noise pollution or sound pollution, and fifth one is radioactive pollutions. There are the 5 types of pollutions are involved in the environment. First is air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Noise pollution also called sound pollution, and fifth one is radioactive pollution. The soil pollution is also called land pollutions. And now we will discuss only air pollutions. What is air pollutions? The undesirable change in only air. Change in air, the type of pollution is also called air pollutions. The air contains only 78% of nitrogens, 21% of only oxygens, and 0.03% of only carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide, some other organs are present only air. These are desirable change in only nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, and carbon dioxide gas are increase or decrease the changes characters that involve only air pollutions. So next, the effect of air pollution. What are the effect of air pollution? What are the cause of air pollution? The first of all, it will be reduced growth and yield of croplands. The effect of air pollution, it would be reduced growth and yield of croplands. The second is cause of premature death of plant. Cause of only premature death of plants. And third one is effect of respiratory system, human and animals. The effect of respiratory system and human and animals. These are all effects are effect of only air pollution. Due to cause of only reduce of growth and yield of crop plants, it's cause of premature death of plants, which affect the respiratory system of human and animal system. There are two types of air pollutants. What are the two types of air pollutants? The air pollutants maximum reduce from this only thermodynamic powers. Thermal power plants are smelters. First one is gases air pollutants. The second one is particulate matters. The gases air pollutants removed by only scrubbers. The scrubbers which are usually only remove of only gases air pollutants. But the particulate matters, the electrostatics precipitations which are used in only particulate matters in maximum 2.5 micrometers levels. 2.5 micrometers level of particulate matters are removed by only electrostatic precipitators. There are two types of only air pollutants. What are the two types of air pollutants? First one is gases air pollutants, then second is particulate matters. The gases air pollutants removed by only scrubbers. The scrubbers are which are used only gases air pollutants. Second one is particulate matters. The particulate matters are removed by only electrostatic precipitators, which are used only in electric field. The next one is scrubbers. See the diagram. What are the uses of this one is scrubbers? The uses of the scrubbers to remove the gases like sulfur dioxide from the industrial exhaust. The industrial exhaust means dirty air. That's unwanted air, that's undesirable air. This undesirable air only which causes only sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. It's harmful gases. Which ones are harmful gases? The sulfur dioxide is harmful gases. The sulfur dioxide removed from this only, which help of only scrubber system. What is the functions? What is the working for the system of only scrubbers? The first, the exhaust is passed through the spray water or lime seed. So that it has passed through this only in scrubbers, and water or water lime spray this only. Water spray this only in only water phosphorus. This dirty air passed through the only scrubbers and water dust particles. This dust was dissolved some types of sulfur, some types of nitrogen, and some types of only carbons. Dissolve the water, that water vapors to form only sulfur dioxide gases. The sulfur dioxide gases are precipitated to form only in calcium sulfates. The first one only calcium sulfate. Dissolve the gases and lime react with the form of only sulfur dioxide to form of only precipitates. Precipitate to development of only a calcium sulfate or sulfide. They are removed from this only water, impure air or clean air are removed from this only scrubbers. The scrubbers which are used only harmful gases. Which ones harmful gases? Sulfur dioxide is harmful gases. These sulfur dioxide gases are excited from this only industrial wastage materials. These industrial wastage materials removed from with help of only scrubbers. This dirty air, that sulfur dioxide gas, sulfur, some types of carbon, some types of nitrogen gases passes through the only in scrubbers, which water mixed with the form dissolve the sulfur and to form sulfur dioxide. The water dissolve the nitrogen, that is nitrogen dioxide, and water dissolve the carbon, that is called the carbon monoxide gas. Carbon monoxide gases. These gases only precipitate to form only water or lime spray. Water or lime spray form convert to form only in calcium sulfate or sulfide gas. After removed from this only clean air, which will form only scrubbers. Scrubbers are used in gases like sulfur dioxide from the industrial exhaust. Exhaust means only dirty gas. Second one is electrostatic precipitators. What is electrostatic precipitators? Which are used only in electric field. The precipitators are removed from this only electric field. The first, what is the use of this only electroprecipitators? The first, removal of particulate matters. In about only 99% of particulate matters are removed from this only exhaust thermal power plant of this using electrical field working systems. It has electrode, which are electrode wires are negative charges and positive charges electrode wires. The electrical wires are the only maintained at the several volts, which produce the release of electrons. The electrons get attached to the dust particles. It's a dusty air or exit the thermal powers, exit the gas are removed from this one dirty airs. The negative charges wire and positive charges wire. So this air dirty airs attached to the form attraction of only in negative charges wire. Negative charge wire. These collecting plates or grounders attached to this in negatively charges wires. Pure airs are removed from this only nest particles, which produce the release of only electrons. The electrons get attached to the dust particles. Which electrons? The negatively charges electrons are attached only in dust particles. These negative charges electrons attached to the dust particles. These dust particles attract to form of only in collecting plates, grounders. Collecting plate, grounders. The negatively charges only attached to only in collecting plates. The few airs are released from this only other sources. Dust particles and give them to form only net negative charges to form. The collecting plates are grounders and they attract the charged particles. Which are the charged particles? Let's say negatively charged particles attached to the attraction of only collecting plates. Collecting plates grounders. The next to form only so clean airs are removed. These clean airs are removed from this only with the help of only electrostatic precipitators. The electrostatic precipitators which are used only particulate matters. Particulate matters. What are the use of this only electroprecipitators? The first, removal of particulate matters. About 99% of only particulate matters is removed from only a exhaust the thermal power plant using these electrostatic precipitators. The second is working system. It has electrode. This mechanism of this only presence of only electrodes. Electrodes wires contains only negative charges particles and positive charges particles. And collecting plates contains electrodes, positive charges and negative charges particles are present. Next one is the collecting plates are present of only electrostatic precipitators. The second one is the electrodes wire are maintained at several volts, which produce that release the electrons. Which ones are produce the electrons are released there? So negative charges particles are released only electrons. The electrons get attached to the form only dust particles. The negative charges wires attached to only dust particles. And particles to give them only negative charges. The collecting plates are grounded to form only these attraction of the only charged particles. Hence the pure air purifies. Hence air is purified. The purified airs are released from only in electrostatic precipitators. As the effect of particulate matters are size in maximum size of only 2.5 micrometers or less in only particulate matters. What are the effect caused by these only in particulate matters? Above the level of 2.5 micrometers or less than only level of only 2.5 micrometers levels. The first one is breathing system. So breathing or respiratory problems due to caused by this only effect of only particulate matters. The second one is irritation of only inflammation of lungs and skins. Irritation and inflammation of lungs and skins are affected by this only effect of only particulate matters of size. The third one is damage of lungs leading to premature death. The third one is damage of lungs leading to premature death due to caused by this only effect of only in particulate matters. The PM refers to particulate matters. The size of only 2.5 micrometers less 2.5 in micrometers level. Next is Environmental Protection Act. It's passed in the way in the year of only 1966. The Environmental Protection Act. What is the use this act? This aim of this act are used to only improve the quality of only environment. The environment means surrounding. Environment means surrounding. The surrounding of the human act is so contains only air, water relationships, then soil relationships, some types of only light, then temperatures, then humidities. Humidity, air, what the interrelationship between the form of only air and the waters, the interrelation form of only air and human beings, the interrelation between the water and the human beings, and interrelation between the soil and the human beings, and interrelation with the light and the human beings, and interrelation with the temperature and the relationship of only human beings. It's a cleaning process to find out only Environment Act. The Environment Act, so what's the aim of this Environment Act was improve the quality of only environment. The next one is only water pollution. What is water pollution? Undesirable changing only in water, that is called water pollution. What are the composition of water presence only in the water pollution? The composition of waste waters. The waste waters released from this only sewage. The sewage is removed from this only household wastage. Household wastage. Next is biological oxygen demands. The biological oxygen demands also called as biochemical oxygen demands. The third one is algal bloom, effect of sewage discharges of rivers. The composition of waste waters. The composition of waste waters means a mere of 0.1% of impurities of make the sewage water unfit for human uses. Only the 99% of waters contains only, then 97% of only sea waters, and 3% of maximum waters in fresh waters. These fresh waters contains only 0.01% of only drinking purpose uses. Drinking purpose uses. These drinking purpose uses of waters can be used only for human uses. But 0.1% impurities, the desirable waters or undesirable change in the waters make the sewage, waste or unfit for the human uses only 0.1%. The impurities of waste waters, the presence of only suspended solids. Suspended solids are present only sand, silt and clay soil. The colloidal materials examples fecal matters and bacteria, chlor and paper fibers. The dissolved materials contains only nutrients levels. The nutrients dissolve only nitrates, ammonia, sodium and calcium. These simplified waters can be used by its only solid part can be easily removed from this only a relatively form of suspended solids. Next one is the dissolved salt like sodium. The water dissolved only sodium, the water dissolved only calcium, water dissolved only some other ammonia, sodium, calcium, nitrates can be dissolved cannot easily. So it is a difficult form of only remove from this only impurity of waters in the composition. We will discuss about biochemical oxygen demand or biological oxygen demands. Biological oxygen demands. So amount of dissolved in oxygen in water that use the aerobic microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Bacteria and mostly fungi are in aerobic only microorganisms when they decomposed organic matters in water. Which organs are decomposed organisms? So decomposed means dead and decaying organic matters are involved only in bacteria and fungi. These are the amount of dissolved oxygen that are used in only aerobic microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi when they are decomposed organic matters. And they are organic matters convert to form body in water first. The relations for money in biological oxygen demand with oxygens. The higher BODs, the higher level of BOD less in only oxygen content in water. The BOD level of increased. For examples, in concentration of care and direction flow of only water flowing only. Say dirty water, mostly water, sewage waters mostly here. The most contains aerobic microorganisms. The aerobic microorganisms involved to convert only biological oxygen demand. The BODs will be increases, so dissolved oxygen level will be decreases in the form of only in contents of only A. The next one is the fish can be killed, the disappearance only cleaning of waters in organism may be found only in biological oxygen demand. The biological oxygen demands, the BODs will be increases, then again to form only dissolved oxygen level will be decreases. The next to come to form only is vice versa, to dissolve the only oxygen will be increases and BOD levels will be decreases. BOD level will be decreases. The first one is amount of dissolved oxygens. So maximum amount of dissolved oxygens are present only in water. BOD level only decreases, and dissolved water oxygen level is only decreases. The form of only in sewage waste waters. Next, relationship of BOD with oxygens. The higher BOD levels, biological oxygen demands will be increases, and less oxygen dissolved in only content only in water, presence of only in sewage. The effect of sewage discharge and some characters of rivers. The first interpretation of the only, as the BOD level of increases, the amount of dissolved oxygen in water level decreases sharply from this only point of sewage discharge. Point of only sewage discharge. The point of sewage discharge is A is only BOD is all increases, and oxygen level, that's a dissolved oxygen level will be decreases. In the point of B levels, so in vice versa, a dissolved oxygen level will be increases and BOD level is only decreases. So more aerobic microorganism presence only in sewage waters, biological oxygen demand increases and dissolved oxygen will be decreases. In vice versa, in the point of B, the less microorganisms are there, the presence only, they here only, the more contents of only sewage waters, the presence of biological oxygen will be decreases and dissolved oxygen will be increases to form only the second point. The next one is the increase the BOD will cause of only mortalities. What is the damage? What is the biological oxygen demands? The biological oxygen demands will be increases here only due to cause only in mostly aquatic organisms. Aquatic organism will be death. That's a mortalities. What is mortalities? Mortalities means of death of aquatic organism. Other animals can be death in only biological oxygen will be decreases. Because contains only the sewage water in more. Biological oxygen where this increases, at the place only the sewage water is more content. But biological oxygen decreases. This place are only contains only less sewage waters. Less sewage waters. The first one is biochemical oxygen demands, the amount of dissolved oxygen that is used in aerobic microorganism. So what are the aerobic microorganisms? Aerobic means it involves only respiratory process. The microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, when they are the decomposed organic matters to contain water. The relationship of biological oxygen demand in oxygens. Biological oxygen only in demands. The oxygen demands only higher BOD level and less in oxygen contents in only water. BOD level of where this increases at the time of only decrease the level of only in dissolved oxygens. The next effect of sewage discharge in some characters of only rivers. Point of only the concentration of air, the flow chart, and direction of the flow of water contents, A points, B points, and C points. Where this presence of only more sewage waters, at the place only biological oxygen demand increases. The sewage water less in only biological oxygen will be decreases because contains only more activities of only microorganism. Microorganism due to activities form of only in sewage treatment process to form only dissolved oxygen level decreases in the point A. The next one is point B. Dissolved oxygen level B increases and biological oxygen demand will be decreases. The less sewage waters contains gas. Where is process of higher level of BOD biological oxygen demands at the place of only more polluted waters. Where is process of more polluted waters presence only, so BOD oxygen, the biological oxygen demand will be increases. The next one is the less oxygen water. The less oxygen water is dissolved oxygens only in decreases at the level of only in higher level of only in biological oxygen demands. Where it is present only higher level of biological oxygen demands, more polluted water. That is a more sewage water where it is present, biological oxygen will be decreases or increases. But at the place of only less oxygen water, it is a lower level of only in biological oxygen demands only a less polluted waters and more oxygen dissolved substances. Higher BOD level, more polluted waters, less oxygen in water, but less level of only in biological oxygen demand. That's a decrease the level of only biological oxygen demands. So less polluted waters. There is no polluted waters, purified the waters, but more oxygen dissolved substances are present only in less level of only biological oxygen demands. Next is algal blooms. What is algal bloom? The presence of large amount of only nutrients in waters. Where is the nutrients presence only large amount of only nutrients. Nutrient substances are present. Let's say nitrates, ammonia, calcium, and sulfur. These some types of mineral nutrition substances are mostly present only in water bodies at the place of only excess of growth of algae. Excess of growth of algae due to occurs. So what is algal bloom? The presence of large amount of nutrient substance in the water body levels causes excessive growth of algae. Excessive growth of algae, that is called algal blooms. For example, large amount of nutrient substance are present of here, but these are growth only. More growth or excessive growth is occurs only in algal blooms. Next, effect of algal blooms. What are the effect of algal blooms? Only decrease the oxygen contents. Algal blooms to form only decrease the dissolved oxygen's content due to the form of only more growth in development of only in algal plants. It's due to cause of only death of aquatic organism. Death of only aquatic organism. Decrease the oxygen contents of water bodies level. Death of only aquatic animals in only effect of algal blooms. First one is. The second one is so algal secretors. More algae, the excess of growth of algae, more secreted only in toxic substances. Toxic substance. This toxic substance more due to form of only do not abstract only in sunlight. Do not involve only in photosynthesis process. Sunlight does not occur only in photosynthesis process. The photosynthesis process does not also occurs only due to formation of only in algal bloom. So what are the effects of algal blooms? The first one is decrease the oxygen content of water bodies, so death of aquatic organism. Next one is algal secrete only chemical toxic substances due to maximum effect of only in aquatic animals.